Introducing Signeasy's native integration with G Suite. The Signeasy add-on lets you electronically sign and send documents for signature directly within Gmail, Google Drive, or even Google Calendar. To get started, open an email in Gmail or a file in Google Drive. In Gmail, when the add-on detects that there is an email attachment, it will prompt you to either sign it yourself or to prepare it to be sent out for signature. In just a few seconds, you can add a signature, date, name, and any other field directly to the document and instantly reattach the signed document to the original email thread. This integration lives seamlessly in the sidebar, making e-signing as easy as replying to an email. Aside from electronically signing and sending documents, the add-on acts as your personal assistant, showing you a real-time status of all of your document activity. G Suite apps are already at the center of your daily work, so the Signeasy team thought it was time to place our e-signature solution at your fingertips. Let's make signing paperwork the easiest part of your day. Signeasy, the easiest way to sign documents online.